Rightio guys, just wanted to give you a little rundown on this pretty cool little jigger I've got my hands on this weekend. So what we have here is a rocket cooker or burner, I guess you could say. It's all flat packed, it all comes together flat packed and it slots together like this. So as you can see, everything only slots into one position. The slots are different for each section, so you can't put something into the wrong slot. Very cool little thing. Packs up, like I say, very flat. Takes up very little storage space in your vehicle. Takes a minute, 2 minutes to put together, something like that, I would say. So we just slot it together like this, lower it down, and there we have it standing upright. Put our little bottom tray in, which is what we light our fire onto, and then we whack this top piece on, which is what you would then put your kettle or fry pan on. So what happens is you put your wood into here, your air comes through this slot, which provides the feed for the fuel, and your flames and your heat come out the top here, which allows you to cook on. So I'll do a bit of a demonstration soon on how it works, and light a fire inside of there and give you a bit of a rundown. Okay guys, so here I am outside. I've never actually used this before. It's brand new. I haven't lit it. I haven't done anything. I'm not sure what to do exactly. I've just loaded this top chamber full of just some gum leaves, some twigs. I've got a branch from in the paddock, and it's pretty much just loaded some very light materials, twigs and stuff that you can find basically anywhere, just to see how this is going to go. I've got nothing to hold my phone up. Let me see if I can make this work. Rightio. Just got a camp lighter here. I'm not sure if it'll be enough to get it going. It's basically just a firelighter style of a match. Let's slip this top piece off and perhaps just drop it down in there. Firelighter takes. So the concept is to just load some twigs and what have you into here. It's a little bit windy today, so see that or not. It's actually working quite effectively. I'd imagine this is probably going to boil a pot of water quicker than your butane cooker, I would have to say. Sure, it's a little bit of extra work, but if you run out of gas, or if you're not into using up cans or carrying cans in your vehicle, this is definitely a neat little option. flames coming through there. The air passage is, wind is tunnelling through that bottom channel. It's working like a chimney, quite effectively too, I would dare say. Pretty cool. The best thing about it is that it packs up very flat. Doesn't take up any space in your vehicle. You don't have to worry about you know, butane cans freezing when you're at high altitudes or in the cold conditions, which is obviously quite a common problem when you're cooking at high altitudes or in the snow, for example. Butane cookers, just the cans freeze up. You can only get a couple of minutes out of them. The burn rate becomes very, very slow. Take you half an hour to cook a pot of boil a pot of water. So it's quite an effective option. All you have to do is rummage around for some twigs, and that's enough to get you going. I'll switch it off here now, and I hope you have enjoyed it.